In this tutorial, we're going to take a quick look at how you can remove a green screen in DaVinci Resolve 20. So I have my setup here. I have a picture in which I want to show this video. So I already moved the video to the place where I want it to appear. Then when you want to remove this green screen, the first thing you do is select the layer on which your green screen is at. And then we're going to go to Effects, and in Effects we're going to choose Resolve FX, and then on top of here search for Keyer. And then we get the 3D Keyer. We move the 3D Keyer on top of our layer here. We'll close Effects, and then we're going to go to the Inspector tab on top of here. And here you can see 3D Keyer, and we can do several things. But first we have to make sure that when we click this icon here, we're going to choose the Open FX overlay. So we're working in that instance. And now we can choose the pick option here and then pick our green color we want to remove. And as you can see, it already removed it for us. And we can see the video of our cat, but we still have these green lines surrounding it. And we can remove those by increasing our despill rate. Just like that. And when we now play our video, we see our cat instead of that green screen. And then you can easily still transform all your layers here by just changing your instance to transform again. And that's how you can easily remove a green screen using the 3D Keyer in DaVinci Resolve 20. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.